Welcome to watch the video. Here we will show you how to operate your JINGHAO26A device. First, let's take a look at what's in the box. User manual. Quickly start guide. Charging case. Charging cable. Ear tips. Cleaning brush. When you use the device for the first time, you need to activate the device. First, you need to take the device out of the charging case, remove the stickers, and then put it back into the charging case. Then, plug the charging cable into the charging port of the charging case. When the 3 LEDs light up orange, it means that the device has been successfully activated. To keep the power sufficient, you can charge the device for a period of time after activation. When the charging case is low power, you need to charge the charging case. Plug the end of the USB charging cable into the power adapter and plug the B end into the charging port of the charging case. The middle blue light is solid. It means the charging case is charging. If the middle white light is solid, it means the charging case is fully charged. Next, let's install the ear tips. Choose the ear tips that fit your ear canal. Align the opening of the new ear tips with the sound outlet of the device. The L mark represents the left device, and the R mark represents the right device. Now, let's look at how to wear the device. First, place the device in the ear. Then, gently insert the aid into the ear canal, making sure the ear tips fits comfortably in the ear canal without pain or discomfort. Let's learn how to turn the device on and off. First, it has an automatic power on function. Just take the device out of the charging case and wait for 8 seconds until you hear the amplified sound. This means that the device has been automatically turned on. If you finish using the device and put it back into the charging case, the device will automatically turn off and charging. Next, let's see how to adjust the volume. The device has a 1 button. Each short press of the button can adjust the volume. The volume is adjusted in a cycle. Every time the button is pressed, the current volume level will be announced. For example, when the volume is at level 1, it will give a voice prompt volume level 1. When at level 2, it will prompt volume level 2. The device can also adjust programs according to different environments. There are 4 programs to choose from, namely normal, restaurant, outdoor and music. To switch program, long press the button for 3 seconds to complete the program switch. Each time you press the button, the device will switch to the next preset program, and you'll hear different voice prompt indicating the current program. Program 1 represents normal program. Program 2 represents restaurant program. Program 3 represents outdoor program. Program 4 represents music program. When the device is low power, it will emit single beep every 10 minutes. You need to charge it. Place the device correctly into the charging slot of the charging case. When the device starts charging, the indicator light will turn blue. When fully charged, the indicator light will turn white. To maintain optimal performance of your devices, regular cleaning is important. Please use the cleaning tool provided. First, use the cleaning brush to gently brush away dust and earwax from the ear tips, around the button and charging port. Thanks for watching.